Hello everybody, Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews, and as promised, I'm going to talk about the installation of this Garmin dash cam. It's a tandem which allows you to see out the front as opposed to the inside at the same time. So that's front and rear camera recording at the same time. So as I had mentioned earlier, inside the box we got the camera, which we're going to remove right now. And then underneath, we've got all our accessories, and it comes with a short cord, and it comes with a longer cord. Now, I'm going to probably try using the longer cord, and I'm going to try going up around the window, down, coming through, and underneath. But the other way you can do it is you can just mount your camera in the middle, and you can just use the short cord to come down. I really don't want to see a cord in my vision, so I'm going to try installing it with the longer cord. I'm going to unpack both of these. I'm going to see which one works the best, and then what I'm going to do is show you the installation on that. But I also wanted to mention that I've got this black hump that's right here, and this is made out of plastic. Now, it's kind of porous, and I think if it heats up and you were to attach this to this, I think it might fall off. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it in the middle, just like this, to the glass. This is about 6.5 inches, so I'm going to mount it right in the middle. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a little break, and I'm going to see which way works the best as far as mounting it, whether I want to use the long cord or the short cord, and then I'll be back. So I decided how I'm going to do the installation on this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the cable up along the headliner here above this black sensor area. I'm going to tuck it in behind here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it across, tuck it in under the sidebar, and bring it down across this rubber, down the side of the inside of the door, across, and I've removed my glove box, and I'm going to run the wire up through here, across the back of the glove box, and then come out, and then run it to this area right here. So now what we want to do is, the first thing we need to do is attach this little piece that hooks to the actual camera. So what I've gotten is an alcohol prep pad, and you want to clean the windshield first to make sure that there's no grease or dirt or anything like that on the actual windshield. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to clean this area first with the alcohol prep pad. Then I'm going to come in and I'm going to use a microfiber towel, and I'm going to clean it off. Okay, just like that. There we go. So as I mentioned, this area right here, the black area, is 6.5 inches. So what I did was I took a piece of masking tape, because I wouldn't be able to get my head in up under here, and I marked 3.25. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to peel the back off of it, and we're going to place it. There, I hit the emergency flasher, and we're going to place it right at 90 degrees just by this. And now you can take this, and it's perfectly in the right place, and we're ready to go. So now you can see it's put in. I went up across the top. It's went across the headliner. I went underneath here, underneath my headliner, across, down into this area. Then I came into my area across here, and down this rubber area right here, followed it down, then followed down here into this rubber area, came across, then went across my glove compartment, up, over, and down into this area right over here where my power is, right there. So it's kind of dark right now. It took me a little while to get it in neatly, but as you can see, it's all in. It's really, really neat. The installation was basically pretty easy. Basically what you're going to need is the longer cable to do all that cable routing. So until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, hit that button down below and please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.